let's just get started, and today we're apparently going to do the Windows 11 boot up test. So you may be wondering, like, why are you using your other computer? Why are you not using your computer? Well, for reasons, because one, my screen wasn't working when I was going for online classes last month. So basically, this is the computer that I will be using until our screen is fixed. So basically, there's not much things I want to say about the Windows 11, but definitely people's opinions, they do believe that it's like a bad website. So let's just get started. Right. Okay, so basically we have the lock screen right here. We do have a lock screen right here, which is similar to the iOS. And then we have a pin right here, so we just put like that. No, this is not going to be revealing. Okay. So basically, I think that could be all, because, you know, it just boots up instantly. And they're only like one sound from the Windows 11. You know, there's not much features right here, but they actually have a search bar. It's similar to the Windows 10 computer. Now, eventually, you may have been wondering about this site. So basically, on the Windows 11 computer, you can apparently do see like a lot of apps that I've been installing, just in case it gets wrong. So basically, there's Spotify. Unfortunately for that, I do not use Spotify anymore. Even though I used to have a Spotify account, but somehow I think I stopped using it for reasons, you know. So basically, we have like the whole screen right here. There's not much changes on the Windows 11 computer. Now you can apparently do see right here that they actually do have a sidebar right here, which is right here, which is the widgets. The widgets are not really the same as the Windows 10 computer, so basically I'm not gonna go through that. So basically, when you search for something right here, it will apparently just take you to the place you want to go. Let's say, for example, let's say I search for this one. I'm not telling you what it is. I'm absolutely not going to tell you what it is. So eventually it does work right here. It does work right here. You just search something up, and then the widget will appear here. Now this is not featured in the Windows 10 computer. Now next up, we go to these kinds of stuff right here. These ones are all like fine at the moment. Okay, this one's like fine as well. Everything is like seriously fine. Like, it just opens up instantly. But one of the new features is that you can just put the sidebar right here, and you can click one of the icon or the screen to have a two-sided view. Now this was actually like the two-sided view that I'm apparently doing. So it's basically like easy, you know, like it's seriously like easy to do this. Alright, so you may have been wondering, how does this work? Well, if you go to the search bar, you can search up anything, you know. So let's just say you can just go for PowerPoint right here. So just save the copy, and don't worry, this is actually a PowerPoint presentation for business management, so just try to ignore that one. Basically, I go through like the sidebar, and somehow it works right here, you know. I just think it's like going to work right here, because you can just put two widgets in the same place, you know. You can just seriously put like two widgets in the same place, like that. Okay, so basically, there's apparently a lot of new features from the Windows 11 computer. So let's just type it out, say like, what new features are there on a Windows 11 computer? Or what features are there Okay, there are 7 new features which are included in the Windows 11. There is apparently a new Mac-like feature, integrated Android apps, there's widgets, there's Microsoft Teams integration. So basically on the Windows 10, there's actually Microsoft Teams. So I started using that one for online classes whenever the teacher in Canada would teach us. They have a better virtual desktop support and easier transition for a laptop with better multitasking. So basically they have the Android apps, which are subsets. They're available in the Amazon App Store. The addition for the weather app in your taskbar, the ability to mute in Teams, easier screen sharing in your taskbar. Now basically on Windows 10, we don't have this mic muting on the taskbar, as it was not over here. So what can you really see from this? So you get up to speed with this new interface on the Windows 11. So it uses the start menu, using search, widgets, teaming up with Teams, just handling up the Windows 11 updates, task view and virtual desktops, snap layouts, and quick settings and notifications. Now, for quick settings and notifications, you can apparently see when you do see a notification, that means your notification is going to be here, So eventually, there are lots and lots of bad stuff on a Windows 11 computer. Now, I'm going to show you one example. This is apparently the biggest changes, and I know I downloaded it. It's not a big of a deal, to download a Windows 11 computer. Well, eventually, I'm not too sure why this computer would do that, but I think just download it. No choice, alright? Anyways, guys, I think that's all for now, and this is me signing off.